Yo, what is up, YouTube? This is Josh over here at American AF Dumpsters. I am here at the Palmer House at the investment property that I've been updating you guys on the last several videos. Just going to give you an update. So we've got the drywall done. Actually, let me show you what I'm talking about before I go into it. All right, so this is the front entrance. The porch is nice and painted. I still have to do some railings. Hopefully I have time to do that. But this is your front entrance. Painter has made a mess on the floors. But I've decided to put some new luxury vinyl plank or LVP flooring down. And I'm gonna just cover up these floors. I know that it's not the popular decision, but yeah, I just kind of get it done. I made that decision because there's some soft spots. I need to fix those, so I'm gonna have to cut in here anyways and fix this foundation right here. It's just a small soft spot, probably a 2 foot by 2 foot soft spot right here. And we are gonna carpet the bedrooms, so I'll leave it to the next guy if they want to refinish the flooring. But check this out though, we got it painted, did white on the ceiling, we did I believe it's called agreeable gray on the walls. We drywalled the closet, although we should have painted this. We gotta finish this right here, the trim. A lot of trim needs to be finished, a lot of the small stuff, electrical, flooring, frame, a lot of finish work still needs to be done. So, kind of show you around a little bit. This is the door that we created here. Lots of beautiful light, lots of sunlight. Got to clean up the windows, get those nice and freshened up. This is where the door used to be into the kitchen. We drywalled the closet as well. So gave it some space there. Looking really good. New AC is blowing nice and cold. This is the master. Still got to figure out what to do with this fireplace. I'm gonna definitely keep it, but the tile work is all jacked up, so kind of figure something to do there. And then this is the master bathroom. This is the wall that we closed off and kind of kept the bathroom the same. Just redid the walls here to match. Gonna put obviously some blinds, finish the trim work. And this is the living room kitchen combo. So again, still needs to do flooring all the way throughout. We just added these to see what they would look like, but we are going to finish this, put some extra cabinets in here, possibly a pull-out trash bin, new countertops, new appliances we're going to put in. Still have the lighting to put in, but really big space though. It's actually really nice. I'm really digging how it came out. We're gonna keep that as like an accent wall. And then here's the bathroom. Haven't really done much with it yet. It's gonna have some shelving here for towels and stuff. Tiled shower. And then our sunrooms or whatever you call them. So we painted this white. Again, lots of natural light coming in here. All the doors that we painted. And we have not touched the creepy crawler room yet. You might see it in some of the other videos, but I gotta figure out what we're gonna do there. We did paint the laundry area, fixed the drywall in there, but the rest of it, as you can see, is kind of still a mess. So, gotta figure out what we're gonna do there still. But it is looking really good. It's starting to take shape. It smells much better. We do not have a flea problem anymore. And yeah, next step is going to be to find a flooring person. I've got the carpet guy, but a flooring person to redo this flooring, trim work, a handyman hopefully to do all the trim work, and the cabinetry and bathroom, and then the creepy crawler we'll leave for last. But that is the update, guys. Tell me what you think in the comments below. Hopefully you guys like it. Again, I am doing the BRRRR strategy on this one. If you don't know what that is, check out my last video. I will put it up here, or check out one of my last videos. I will put it up in the card section above. And yeah, let me know what you guys think. We'll see you guys in the next one.